Come test drive this 2016 Buick Cascada. This two-door, four-passenger convertible still has less than 15,000 miles. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, a power convertible roof, and cruise control. Premium sound drives 7 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including knee airbags, integrated rollover protection, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. A Carfax history report indicates just 1 previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.